Hi YouTube, this is Flash, back at it with yet another video, and the video is going to be about unboxing a camera, a very special camera. I've been aiming to buy this camera since a very long time, and I was able to get this today. So let's get into the video. Before I get into the video, let's check if our editor is ready with the intro. So let's roll the intro. Ah, come on. Editor, any updates on the intro? Let us know when it comes up. Alright, let's get in. So here is the Canon EOS R3. It's a pretty simple box for an expensive camera. Alright, let's see that there's no seal. I've checked with the shop. Apparently they told me that Canon doesn't seal any of their boxes. So let's get in. Some paperwork as usual. Warranty. Camera strap. Some QR codes. This is the viewfinder protector. This is for the app, Canon app, wherein you get to connect your phone with your camera, and then you can transfer files. Let's get in. There we go, the beast. Nicely bubble wrapped. Let's leave this to a side for now. Let's dig in and see what else I have here. That comes off. This comes off too. Some cable. I guess, yeah, it's for the charger. There's the charger. Charger is the bubble wrap. You get to charge 2 batteries at the same time, and yeah, it has some lights and also the battery percentage, and you have the socket here to plug in the cable. The cable like this. Pretty well stuck. Yeah. Right, some clips for cable management. Is a ginormous battery. it lasts for a very long time for such a big camera. The battery is very crucial. It says made in Japan. And yep, this is kind of an clip sort of thing to plug in and out of the camera. Okay, that's it in the box. I think I hit the camera, but that's fine. The camera angle is still intact. So here is the thing. Alright, time to uncover the camera. Drum roll. There you go. It feels a lot sturdy in the hand with the portrait grip. So you can hold this way. It's pretty lightweight for a camera of this size. And I guess, yeah, that's the whole idea of the mirrorless cameras, to make it a little more compact and light in weight. And what we have here, the battery goes in here. There's a cover, and yep, there you go. That's the unboxing of Canon EOS R3. And we have a lens as well. I've taken a EOS 70-200 2.8 L IS USM Z lens. Yeah, I know there are a lot of alphabets there. Here's the box. We will be unboxing this in the next video, so stay tuned. I hope you like this unboxing video. Stay tuned with me, Flash, and I will see you in the next video with the unboxing of the lens. Until then, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also do hit the bell icon. I will try to leave the links and other description in the description below. Right then, see you in the next video.